Welcome back, everybody. Today I am working on a 2025 Hyundai Elantra. This is the 2.0 non-turbo. It has no turbo. Okay guys, we're doing the oil change on it. First thing you want to do is locate the oil dipstick, which is this one, the blue one right here. It says right there engine oil, and the oil fill hole. This is the oil cap right here. This car takes 0 W20 oil. The next thing you want to do is jack up and support the car on jack stands. I raised the car from the front. The jack is just there to support the car because we are going to be working from the front of the car. But yes, safety first. Jack up and support the vehicle. I have another jack stand on the other side. I am under the car. This is the engine oil pan. This is the passenger side, okay? The passenger side. Not the driver's side, the passenger side, okay? You do not want to drain the transmission. You want to drain the engine oil. This is the passenger side. The oil pan drain plug is right here. This one, 17 millimeter. 17 millimeter, 1/7. Go left. I have already loosened it. Go left. Just like that. Let the oil drain. Let it do its thing. Then if you go forward a bit, this is the oil filter housing. This takes a 27 millimeter 2.7, and then there's an Allen key right here. This Allen key is the drain. It takes an 8 millimeter. Go left, guys. Go left to loose. So this is a 8 millimeter. This is a 27. 2.7. Go left, okay? Go left to loose, right to tight. I'm gonna let the oil finish draining. When it finishes draining, I will loosen the oil filter housing cap right here, this one. Eight millimeter. This is the 8 millimeter Allen. I'm draining the oil filter housing right now. Right there. This is the plug. Let it drain. Let it do its thing. Once again, after it's done draining, this big one right here, 27 millimeter. Go left. 27, 2.7. 27 millimeter. This is the 27 millimeter for the oil filter housing. Go left. Left to loose. Okay, there's the oil filter. I'm gonna set it in here for a second. Then you want to go ahead and clean the inside of the housing if you want to. I'm going to clean it, and then I'm gonna clean the edge, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to change the filter. This is the old filter. You guys can see the old filter. This is the new filter. I have compared them. They are the same. Then the new kit comes with a new drain plug and a new gasket. You guys can see the O-ring right there. This is the old one. This is the new one. And the new kit also comes with the new crush washer. This is for the drain plug. As you guys can see, this is the drain plug, the old crush washer. This is the new crush washer. I will switch them out. Then the kit also comes with an O-ring gasket right here. You guys pay attention. There's a little tab right here. This one. It's inside the filter housing cap. I'm gonna try to show it to you guys. It is right there. That little piece right there, where my finger is. You want to get it with the needle nose plier, and then the gasket goes in there. So if you get it with the needle nose plier, pull it out, insert your new gasket. Be careful not to damage it. Lube it with oil. Insert your new filter, just like so. It'll snap in. And then insert your new oil filter drain plug, filter housing drain plug. This one, it says right there, tighten to 4 + 1 Newton meters. So just hand tight, don't go crazy on it. And then the filter housing right here, it says tighten down to 25 + 5, no more than 30 Newton meters. So you don't have to go all crazy and tight on it, just hand tight. This is the oil filter kit. Sorry guys, you don't have to use this brand, but this is the part number, MSL 10521. Tighten it down 27 millimeter. And then this plug right here, 8 millimeter Allen. The drain plug, hand tighten it down 17 millimeter, right to tight. New filter. I already cleaned the filter housing. Right to tight. New gasket is on. Remember, 25 Newton meters, and that's the drain plug. 17 millimeter. Just hand tighten it. Or if you want to look up the torque specs, go ahead and do it. But I'm just going to hand tighten it. After you have tightened down the oil filter housing, and then you tighten down your drain plug, you lower the car back down, move the jack stands. I have done that already. If you guys can see, the jack stands are over there. The car is back on the floor, level. You want to locate your oil dipstick from the beginning, like I said, which is this blue one. On this particular model, this car, it's blue. Some cars are orange or yellow, but it's blue. Like I said, you guys can see it says engine oil. And then this is where you put oil in, your oil fill hole or your oil fill cap. It takes 0W20. It takes 4.5 quarts, but you never go off of what the computer says. you always go off of the dipstick on a level surface. Once again, as you guys can see, this one has two little dots. There's a dot on the bottom and there's a dot on top. The one on the bottom is low or add. The top one is full. Then it goes right here on the side above the alternator. Once you put about 4.5 quarts in there, start the engine, let it run for about a minute, turn it off, let the car sit for about 5 minutes, recheck your oil. There you go. Thanks, guys. You just finished the oil change on your 2025 Hyundai Elantra. Once again, this is the non-turbo, the 2.0 non-turbo.